Let me give you done-for-you graphics each month, delivered automatically inside your DesignoPro 2.0 account. Monthly membership gets you 30+ brand new graphics and images each month. With DesignoPro 2.0 Designers Pack, every single month we'll create 30+ brand new graphics done for you. That's always exactly what the market wants, so it converts and makes you sales. That means you'll get 30+ full templates, where all you have to do is insert your details. Then you can put them up on your sites, videos and social media each month, and you'll keep all the profits. 100% automation, we manage everything for you. You see, our top-tier Designers Pack upgrade is all about taking care of all the work for you. Here's the problem with the regular version of DesignoPro 2.0. Even with the hundreds of built-in designs you get, at one point you'll run out of fresh designs to create, and you don't want to start using the same templates for your different projects or different clients. And while I bet you'll love how simple it is to build fresh new designs with our app, I know for a fact most of you would like an even easier alternative, where everything was done for you. That's exactly what our Designers Pack upgrade brings you. Each and every month, you're going to get 30+ graphics done for you inside your DesignoPro 2.0 account. So all you have to do is tweak them with your details, and you're good to go. And those are all fresh new designs, created by hand by our in-house team of professional designers. All the images and graphics you'll ever need. That's right, you're getting 30+ templates and graphics each month like clockwork. Just plug and play them into your DesignoPro 2.0 account. Yes, these work for all niches. Then enter your details and start using them. Those 30+ done-for-you graphics per month include logos, box covers, banners, headers, product features, social media covers, video graphics, and much more. 30+ fresh designs per month is really all you need in your online business to truly succeed. So if you're a bit busy with other things, or you prefer the software to do all the work for you, then our Designers Pack upgrade is all you need. Push a button and get high-quality designs on your site. Source files to all the designs. Finally, with our Designers Pack upgrade, you're also getting source files to all the designs included in DesignoPro 2.0. This means, get this, that you're able to tweak and sell any designs you create to your clients, offline businesses, or even start a graphics service on sites like Fiverr. People pay hundreds for the kind of graphics you can create with just a few clicks inside DesignoPro 2.0, so this can become a very profitable business for you, especially considering how unique and powerful our designs are. Especially since you will get an influx of fresh new graphics each month, so your designers will never go stale. Unparalleled price. Let's do a quick recap here. You're getting $791 more worth of value with your investment today for an incredibly low and attractive monthly price of just $17, even less if you go with the biannual offer. I hope you agree these features are truly unique in our marketplace and will skyrocket your business. This is a one-time opportunity. Don't let it slip past and jump on board.